Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable sleeveless shirt, which is designed to fit 18-inch dolls, that's 45 to 46 centimeter dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com and download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out 4 back pieces and 2 front pieces. Lay one front on top of another, keeping right sides together. That means the pretty side of the fabric touches the pretty side. Attach the 2 fronts at the sleeve opening and neckline. Clip your seams. Be careful not to go through where you've sewn. Invert the front and press your seam. Lay one back on top of another back, again keeping right sides together. Sew these together on 3 sides. Sew around the neck and then turn. Sew down the back closure area, turn again, and then sew along the bottom where a hem would go. Sew around the sleeve opening area too. Do this with both backs. Clip all seams so far. Again, be careful not to go through where you've stitched. Invert and press the seams, just as you did with the front. Now I like to use a chopstick to invert my pieces. You'll see me doing that right there. It kind of helps. Now you have 2 backs that look like this. Lay one back on top of the bodice front. Stitch across the shoulder area. Open this seam up like this and press the shoulder seam open. Lay the other back on top of the front. Sew across this shoulder seam area as well. And just like you did before, open the bodice up and press this shoulder seam flat too. Now your shirt looks like this. Sew along one of the side seams, but only sew about 1 inch of stitching. That's about 3 centimeters to create this seam. Make this stitch on both of the sides, stopping shy of the finished edge on both sides of your garment. Fold the raw edges of the front inside themselves. So you can see me doing this. I've sped up the film a little bit, but I want to make sure you can see I'm kind of comparing the lengths, because you want to make sure the front and the back pieces match up nicely. Whip stitch along the bottom of the front. Now if you need help with the whip stitch, I have a tutorial for that. There's a link to my whip stitch tutorial below this video on YouTube. Now you still need to finish those side seams, so sew the side seams closed on both sides of the garment, finishing off that stitching. Invert the shirt. Add some Velcro as a closure. Soft Velcro is a nice choice. Now you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns, including the pattern for these shorts, a pattern for pants or jeans, and this skirt, and I have so much more, please remember to visit shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.